Hi everyone, and hello there. In this video, we're going to create an Mkdocs site from scratch, and we are going to deploy this in our AWS, and we're going to Dockerize this, and we'll try to set up a CI/CD pipeline for this in Azure DevOps. All right, so I'm sleepy and let's get started. So we did this before already, but then I think I miss or I can't remember what I did here. So install, how do we create a new, to generate this docs. Um, yeah, okay, hold on. Maybe, yeah, we can start maybe just call a node here, then maybe starting just defining the mkdocs.yaml, and then just copy this. So this will be the like sample mkdocs. Sing it to make it hard. Sing. All right, and then here in our, we're going to create a folder called docs. Is it docs? Yeah, it's docs, and we're going to put index.md here. And then we're going to add about.md, and let's take a look on what it looks like here. Yeah, so actually this is just a markup, so we're going to like about here, then list 1, list 2, here is index here, and then yeah, 1. All right, just anything. I'm a code here. All right, so okay, so we have about, then the theme is read read the docs. Okay, so if I remember correctly, we just need to mkdocs serve here, and it will serve. Let's open link. Oh yeah, so there you go. So yeah, we don't have to install anything. We just need to. But this is because the Mkdocs is already set up in my Ubuntu. But now we want to run it in Docker, so we want to Dockerize this. And to do that, we're going to create a Docker file. Then let's just copy everything here, and then we need an nginx.config. Right, so that's the, I don't know what that is, how that definition is, like, I can't explain what that is, and yeah, I just copy and pasted it in here. Yeah, this is just the requirements that was like get from somewhere, requirements.txt, and it will run Python install those. Oh, so here we take an image from Python, then create our working workday IR is src. Then we're going to copy all the docs here, um, but it's just going to ignore what we defined here in Docker ignore. Do we have a Docker ignore here? Yeah, I don't know what to ignore here. Maybe the README. Yeah, but it's okay. Also like this. Where is it? Yeah, we can. Um, yeah, we don't have anything to ignore. Yeah, but yeah, everything's cool. Let's yeah. So, okay, so that's that. Let's run the Docker. Let's go to Docker images here. Oh, do we have a sample mkdocs? No, not yet. So we have to Docker build t tag for Fina sample mkdocs and current dir is going to build that. I'll sing the guitar. I'll sing that Sing in my heart. What's this? Was it successful? Docker images. We have Fina. Okay, so let's run that. Docker run dash port maybe 3200. Then we are using Nginx, so that will always be 80, but not always. But we set up it to run in 80. And then we're going to have a name for this, Fina Mkdocs, and then the image that we're going to use is sample Mkdocs. Run that. So if we open our browser and then we go to 3200 and that's it. It's running. Now we want to stop this Docker PSA. We want to stop that Docker, or maybe even remove that Docker Fina Kdocs force Docker PSA. So no more container running. So now we want to drink water. Now we want to set up a CI/CD pipeline for this. But to do that, I'll have to hide my account so that you can see. I will have to post this. Okay, so I paused the recording, and then I did some investigation in Azure pipelines. It turns out I need this to be on its own repo. Alright, so let's do that. So let's create a dir Fina Mkdocs sample. Alright, Fina Mkdocs sample. Alright, then we're going to copy and paste what we have. I'll sing. sing. Oh, sorry. Na 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 na. Magical time. Learn to love it. Na 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 na. Sing into our heights. I'll sing. Alright, so okay, so we have it. Okay, so we're going to create a repository for this. I'll have to pause the video, the recording again. Alright, so we're back. So we created a different repo for our docs, and we have it now here. Now we want to create a CI/CD pipeline for this. We'll create a pipeline, and where is your code? It's in here. And then where this is going to be a Docker image. Alright. Should be a push to AWS. So okay, so yeah, I'll have to stop and maybe create a separate video because I'm already sleepy, and I'm going to create a different video if I can create a different video that, because I have to set up the AWS connection between my Azure and AWS, and then when I push a code into the repo, it will trigger, then create a build a Docker image, and then it will push to the AWS container registry or something. Then it will deploy a site. So that is the target. And I already forgot how to do it. So stay tuned. All right, cool. Thanks. Bye.